Welcome to Dubai, the shopping paradise of the Middle East. Home to some of the world's most luxurious malls, Dubai is a shopper's paradise. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 malls in Dubai. So, let's get started. The Mall of the Emirates is one of the most popular malls in Dubai. It is home to over 500 stores, including luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Prada. The mall also features an indoor ski resort, Ski Dubai, which is the first of its kind in the Middle East. The Dubai Mall is the world's largest shopping mall, and it is home to over 1,200 stores. It is also home to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. The mall features a variety of attractions, including an aquarium, an ice rink, and a movie theater. The Ibn Battuta Mall is a unique shopping experience. It is divided into 6 sections, each representing a different region of the world. The mall features a variety of stores, restaurants, and attractions, including a 4D cinema and a mini-golf course. The City Centre Deira is one of the oldest malls in Dubai. It is home to over 300 stores, including luxury brands like Chanel and Dior. The mall also features a variety of restaurants, a bowling alley, and an ice rink. The Mercato Shopping Mall is a unique shopping experience. It is designed to resemble an Italian village, and it features a variety of stores, restaurants, and attractions. The mall also features a movie theater and a bowling alley. That's it for our tour of Dubai's top 5 malls. Whether you're looking for luxury brands or unique experiences, Dubai has something for everyone. So, come and explore the shopping paradise of Dubai.